Your entire life can change in one moment, the moment you decide your standards are no longer negotiable. Welcome to my channel. I'm Rebecca, and if you're new here, I help men and women shift their identity to match their goals and build passive income with high ticket sales. I want to start with this. There's a version of you that you haven't met yet. A stronger version, a more disciplined version, a more self-respecting version, a more powerful version. And the only thing standing between who you are right now and who you're meant to become is your standards. Most people assume their life changes because of motivation or opportunity, timing, or even luck, but it doesn't. Your life changes the moment you stop accepting things your old self was willing to tolerate, because your standards determine the relationships you allow in, the way you speak to yourself, the food that you put in your body, how you manage money, how you show up for your goals, the people that you surround yourself with, your habits that you always repeat, what you no longer give energy to. Your standards are your identity, and your identity is the direction your life moves into. Most people don't have a motivation problem. They have standards problem. They want a better life, but they tolerate the ones that drain them. They want more money, but they tolerate habits that keep them stuck. They want a better relationships, but they tolerate inconsistency or low effort. They want more confidence, but they tolerate talking themselves like an enemy. Your life will always grow or fall to the level of the standards you set for yourself. And the moment you rise them, everything shifts. My life didn't change because I made more money. It didn't change because I moved countries. It didn't change because I learned a new strategy or a new skill. My life shifted when I forced to see the standards I was tolerating in my life. It taught me everything I needed to know about myself, what I was accepting, what I was settling for, what parts of myself I was abandoning. It showed me exactly where my standards were too low, and it showed me the version of myself I didn't want to be anymore. No. And that moment changed everything for me. I rebuilt myself from the inside out. I became clearer, stronger, more intentional, more disciplined, more self-respecting. And because my standards changed, my identity changed also. And when my identity changed, my entire life followed as well. Your standards create the rules of your entire life. Whatever you tolerate, you repeat. Whatever you keep around you, you eventually become. When you raise your standards, you create an internal shift. You stop shrinking. You stop abandoning yourself. You stop negotiating with your weakness. You stop giving access to people who drain your energy. You stop holding on to habits that sabotage your future. Raising your standards isn't about being better than anyone. It's about becoming a better version of yourself. And the thing is, when you start up leveling your identity, certain people will naturally pull away. And that's totally fine, because you're going to attract better connections. You're going to gain more self-respect within yourself. You're going to show up more differently. You're going to make better decisions. And your income will basically reflect your new identity that you're stepping into. And you'll have more focus. Your future becomes clearer. You know exactly what you want and you're going for it. You become the type of person who creates momentum instead of waiting for it. If you're watching this right now, I want you to understand this. You don't need to fix your entire life today. You don't need to rewrite every chapter. You don't need to become someone perfect. Absolutely not. You just need one decision. This is no longer my standard. That one decision changes everything. Your next level isn't far away. It's already waiting for the version of you who refuses to settle for less than what you're capable of. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. If you want more content like this, please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video.